Today we'll be doing a emergency call. Client called, somebody backed into his LB, so it kind of shredded apart, exposed wiring, little dent on the wire. So we're gonna fix that today. I'll try to finish it as quick as I can, but safely. I know we have a Bears game today, Bears in Green Bay, for you Green Bay fans. I think that's it, man. We're gonna take this game today. It's gonna be on a Saturday, so you guys know when this day was installed. So I'll try to do it as fast as I can. I will be at the game, and no, I won't videotape it, but possibly we will do a little bit of barbecuing beforehand, and I don't know, we'll see if we tailgate today. But anyhow, enjoy the video, and here we go. All right, everyone, this is the setup that they have. I'm not gonna say this is an ideal scenario, but let me just show you. We turned off the power from here, and the reason why is because we're gonna take out the wire from right here, redo the piping outside. Makes it easier. Let me just show you guys how it looks. Sorry, these gloves are not giving me any justice today. We'll see if we give them some better screws for this. But let me just show you guys what they did. For any electrician that understands electrical, we know that most of the time the consumption or the load will not go up to 200 amps. So some other electrician did this. He decided to go with the 60 amp breaker to a sub panel. Now this is rated up to, I believe, usually in the bus bar application they're rated up to 125 amps or more, which is, I think this is a 30 space, I believe, and they pretty much are powering all this from this Generac 60 amps. So that being said, yeah, we got power right now. So I'm gonna take these wires out, and then I'm gonna start changing the outside. Does not want to fix it. That's just dangerous. I mean, nothing's up to code here. Does need panel upgrade. Needs a lot of stuff with the gentleman here. There's a lot of other things he needs to fix. In due time, he will call us to get this done accordingly. You know, economy sucks. People want to get by. Where is my screwdriver? That's the finished product.